Crafting clear connections, linking evidence to arguments. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive deep into the essence of essay writing, especially when preparing for the GMAT and GRE. One of the key skills you need to ace the writing section is understanding how to effectively connect evidence to your main argument. So, let's unravel the magic behind this crucial skill. Before we delve into the connection, let's first understand why evidence is so critical. When you present an argument, it's like making a claim. For instance, if you say, "Reading is beneficial for mental health," that's a claim. But why should anyone believe you? That's where evidence comes in. Evidence adds credibility to your argument and helps your reader or listener trust what you're saying. There are various forms of evidence you can use. 1. Factual evidence. These are undeniable truths, often backed by research or data. 2. Anecdotal evidence. Personal stories or experiences that support your claim. Remember, these can be subjective. 3. Expert opinions. Citing what specialists or experts in the field have to say about your argument. 4. Statistical evidence. Numbers, percentages, and data that can validate your claim. Now, the crux of our topic. How do you connect this evidence to your argument? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Introduce your evidence. Instead of dropping evidence abruptly, lead into it. Phrases like, "according to research," or, "a study by XYZ University found that," can be useful. 2. Present the evidence. Clearly state the evidence, ensuring it aligns with your argument. 3. Explain the evidence. This is where the connection happens. Relate the evidence back to your main argument. For example, if your argument is that physical exercise boosts mental health, and your evidence is a study showing a decrease in depression rates among those who exercise regularly, your connection could be, "This study illustrates the direct correlation between physical activity and improved mental well-being." While evidence is powerful, using it incorrectly can weaken your essay. Here are some common pitfalls. 1. Overloading with evidence. While evidence is valuable, too much can make your essay feel cluttered. Strike a balance. 2. Not explaining evidence. Just presenting evidence isn't enough. The connection to your argument is key. 3. Using irrelevant evidence. Ensure the evidence you present directly supports your main argument. Crafting an impeccable essay is all about how you weave your arguments and evidence together. Remember, your evidence should act like the pillars supporting the structure of your argument. Keep practicing, and soon, connecting evidence to your arguments will become second nature. We hope this video has shed light on this vital skill. Until next time, happy writing!